Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be unraveling these beautiful embellishment boxes. This is from CraftPurge's embellishment box swap. I purposely, you guys, did not watch any of the unboxing videos that she made because I wanted to be surprised on the boxes that I received. So I have no clue what's in either of these boxes, and that is so exciting. But don't worry, Tony, after I open my boxes, I'll definitely go watch your video and check it out. But I wanted to be surprised, you guys. I didn't want to know what was coming my way, and that makes it just 10 times more exciting. So these are the boxes that I received. I don't know as of yet who made these, but they are beautiful. And then there's this one. So I am going to have these pushed to the side, and we're going to start off with this one. Look how cute. I see it's Hey Pumpkin. Let's see what we got here. I always save these bags. They come in so handy when you need to send something else out. How cute. Look at this. It has a cute little charm. It says Eek. I should have done that. I should have kept mine. I actually cut mine off. I should have kept it and put like a little charm on it. But let's go in here. There's some little extra goodies. Ooh. So we got some confetti. Maker's Halloween construction. Oh, these are cute. You get some spider webs, some spiders, pumpkins. And then there's some washi tape. How cute. And then we have some twine, some enamel dots. Oh, I love these colors. And I was running out of some enamel dots for Halloween, so oh my gosh, thank you so much. I gotta see who this is from. Look at this bag. How cute is that? Like to snip off the top. That's a good idea. And look at her box. She put a little rosette. Oh, how exciting. Let's see what we got. And this is from Christina Garzon. Oh, this is Christina's Creations. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look how cute. All these little goodies. There's some bows. Some little... Oh, I've never seen these candy corns. Look at this. How cute. The stickers. Little itty bitty stickers. The puffies. I love me some puffies. We got some little ephemera pieces. Let me move this down. I'm trying to figure out a way. Maybe I should... Let's do it this way. Okay. And let me sit down, you guys. Because if not, my back is going to kill me. So she sent some cute little... I think these are like those flake stickers from Daiso. I think. Don't quote me, you guys. But I don't have any of these. Oh my gosh, Christina. I can't believe I ended up with one of your boxes. Woohoo. Some foam flowers. These are some more foam stickers that say party, beware, trick, sweets, spooky, eerie, and magic. I love these. Where are these from? These are so cool. I hate when I get stuff that I like fall in love with because then I don't want to use it and I want to hoard it. Those are so cute, and I think they'll look so good on memory decks cards. We got some foamies. The black cat, the skull, Boo in that teal blue, so pretty. A little ghosty, a little bat. Oh my gosh. I want to put them back the right way because I didn't take any pictures and I want my pictures to come out cute. And look at these little bows. How cute. Oh, let me fix this. I got you, girl. Look how cute. Love those. Let's put those right back in there. And this is a cute little flower, like with some tulle and this little skull head. This is so cute. Oh, look, and she put a little foam tape so you can put it on an embellishment. We have some wood veneers that I think she, did you paint them? I think she painted them in white, orange and black. Cute. I love it. So many cute goodies. You guys, I was just posting on Instagram that I'm like Halloweened out because I made so many videos. But hopefully these little boxes re-inspire me. Look at these cute little flat backs and this little button with a candy on it. Cute. And then, oh, look at this little cat. Is it a pin? Yes, it is a pin. How cute. We have a little plastic spider. We have this little charm that says found. A little gemmy. A little skull head. Oh, this is cute and creepy. We have a little plastic bat. Some more charms. I love these. The black little gemmy charms and the orange. And look at these. Boo, 31, and found. These are so cool. I love these. Thank you so much, Gertie. And then we have this cute little clip and a little witch broom. And this one that says trick or treat. What a fun little box. Thank you so much, Christina. I love it. And it's totally gonna like re-inspire me to like make some more stuff and use up the goodies. So cute. She put a cute little label. I love the way you decorated your box. So cute. So I'm gonna put everything back inside. Because I don't want to misplace anything. So we're gonna put that over here and we're gonna open up this beauty, which is kind of like past Halloween. Let me grab my scissors and poke a hole right here without ruining. That's such a good idea to kind of like, this is that wrap where you, I think, suck in the, like saran wrap it and it stays in place. Look at this. Oh, you guys, I wish I did this on mine and put like a little charm. Let me make sure I'm still in frame. Look at the little key and the little tassel. Look at all the detail. So cute. And we have these little embellies. Look how cute. Look at that skull with the eyes, the green eyes. Super cute. We got two more embellishments. We got some bat bows. Oh, I like that little pocket on the front. Look at this. Is that not the cutest? I love it. She's got like the whole purple trim around it. Look at the little pink foam flower. And then it's ta-da! And this one is from Tammy Green. And I think she's, I'll have them linked down below. I don't know Tammy, but Tammy, your box is beautiful. Let's sit down here and go through it. So we got some little Halloween stickers. Oh, look at these. This is super cute. Happy haunting. Let's get spooky. So she's got like little word phrases. Did you make this? Yes, she did. So I guess she's Green Design Co. I'm going to have everyone linked down below. I love that little sticker book idea. There's a cute little sequence mix here. We have some gemmies in pink. And then we have these cute little bat bows with tulle. How fun. I love those. And then there's just a bunch of little goodies, little clips. I love these clips, you guys. These are perfect to make like little tassels. I only have a few, but now I have a bunch. And then we have a little key, another key, and we have like a handmade. I think this is a handmade with love. Yep, made with love. And we got some tassels. And she put me the jump rings on the little tassels. Thank you so much for all the little clips and the charms. Those are definitely going to be put to use. Let's put those right here. We have some more little like flat back pearls in the little beautiful minty color. We have some more sequins. Oh, look at this sequins, how pretty. Oh, I like this. I'm definitely going to make a memory dex card with this one. We have cute little bow, like that Maggie Holmes style. Look at these little jars. Another tassel. But you guys, look at these jars. How cute and tiny are these? They look like little potion bottles. And they have some sequins mix in them. Got some little foam flowers. A bunch of little gemmies. Look how cute these are. We got some clips. Oh, look at these. Oh, cute little pin. And these little paper clips. Some more little pins and charms. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love the colors. Oh, look at this charm, you guys. Look at that bat. I love these. I actually have a little pin cup that one of my subscribers sent me a long time ago. I'm gonna put those right in there. So cute, so many goodies. And then in here we have a little tulle flower, one of these little spiders. And then she did the same thing over here. So she gave me a purple and an orange one. Oops. Let me put this right here. And then she gave me a bunch of these flat bags. I love these. You can never go wrong. I love to prop these everywhere on my projects. So thank you so much for that. And for giving me the colors that I love. And then of course some little pom-poms. And look at that, you guys. So many goodies. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Tammy. I love it. I love this key. I'm so sad that I didn't think of doing that on my box, but I hope you guys still like it. Let me put my things back in here just the way she had it, because I need to take my pictures. And then this one I think goes in the front. And then the last box is this one, which is Pasteloween, I guess. And I love this bag. It says trick or treat. And I think these are the ones from Daiso. And look at these cute little cat ears in minty green. So cute. And then there's this little bag in here that says enjoy spooky night. Let's see what we have in here. I think it's some washi. You guys, these bags, I can't get over them. So cute. Look at this washi. It's like Pasteloween Halloween one, and then some gold like little ribbon. So cute. And this one is from, let me see, I think it's Tanika Townsend. She's yeah, on IG as well. And look, you guys, how cute. So that's right on top of the little box. And now we're gonna open up the embelly box. Yep, Tanika Townsend. Oops, wrong way. Creep It Real. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Let's see. So I'm gonna have to check out these ladies because I don't know Tanika and I don't know Tammy, so I'm gonna have to go check them out. I know Christina. I already follow my girl Christina. Oh my gosh, look at all these little diamonds or little gemmies. I love these. Look at these. I don't have anything like that. So cute. Look at this little clip with the little bat. And then some more little gemmies from the Michaels. How cute. I love the colors on these. Then we have, I like the way she put the little bat on that. This cute little sequence mix. Loving this mix. Definitely going to be using it on a memory dex card. So loving those colors. You guys know I love me some mints and pinks. And then look at these little handmade flowers. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute! I keep standing up and sitting down because I want to make sure that I'm in frame. And then let me just put these all like this so that you guys can see them. These super cute little charms that she put in her box. Aren't they cute? Thank you for those. Oh, look at this little bow. How adorable. That's so cute. And then we have a little sticker. Oh, look, it says boo. And then a little paper that says, I think there's another sticker. Yeah, another sticker. It says bewitching. I love how everything matches. And then we have some of those, I think these are those flakes as well from Daiso. I don't have anything like this. Look how cute these are. I just might have to hoard these because I don't own them, and maybe I'll use them next year. But they are so cute. I love that they're holographic. And look at these little spiders, you guys. She made the cutest little spiders with the little resin little flowers in the middle. How cute! Oh my gosh, these boxes are so inspiring and they just make me want to craft. And then we got some beads right here, some cute little paper flowers, and look at this little bottle. Is that not the cutest with some gold sequins? I'm loving these little bottles. They are adorable. And then on the bottom here, she has some more little like flower gemmies and stickers. I think they're stickers. Yep. Little stickers, you guys. So cute. And then, let me fix this. Let me fix this. Okay, let's see here. Right here. Stay put. Then over here, I'm going to just put them on my hand so that you guys can see everything really good. Even though I'm sure you saw it in Tony's video. But I didn't watch you guys. Another reason why I haven't been watching YouTube, you guys, is because I've been like on a Netflix binge. And I've been watching so many shows that I've been slacking on watching YouTube videos. Look at all these yummies. How cute. I love everything. Thank you so much. This was so much fun. I absolutely love my little embelly boxes. Thank you, Tony, for hosting this awesome swap. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.